Sridhar Namburi Tapovan. Today we are going to discuss about the Navaratri Sadhana Vidhi and the chanting system of Devi Mahatmyam or Durga Saptashati. Durga or Chandiga means the form of Parashakti which is Gunadita, leading to Gunadita. So Durga have the power of Kali, Mahakali, Mahalakshmi and Mahasaraswati. So Durga can take any form as per the situation. So this is a very powerful festival all over India. We are celebrating, that is Navaratri, by the chanting of Devi Mahatmyam or Durga Saptasati. 700 hymns are there. That's why it's calling like that, Durga Saptasati. So in North India have some different style and South India have some other different style. So normally the first 3 days worshipping as Kali in South India. The next 3 days Mahakali, Mahalakshmi. Next 3 days Mahasaraswati. Basically it is Durga worship. Durga Devi can take any figure of these gunas. This is actually the Sankhya Yoga, Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic forms of the manifestation of the universe. In Bhagavad Gita, Gunatraya Vibhaga, we can see all of these details of the Sankhya Yoga. The whole universe, the galaxies and the solar system, everything is Shakti. So we don't think these are females or something like that. It is not like this is for psychological, just mental connection. We are using the female figures actually. This is we can use as a powerful software to deal our outer world gunas. When the tamasic guna comes, we cannot meditate. Somebody is coming and scolding you daily, so you cannot meditate. Then you have to put the tamoguna to against that person. For we need Kali. Normal, our personality have some gunas. It is not like that maybe. We cannot fight. Then we can bring the Kali energy to our body. We can perform massively. So in that time, for that only. After that, we can come to Saraswati, Sattvic Guna. So that is power of Parashakti or Durga. For that, we are with 1 year we are accumulating all kind of negative energies, dissociative identity disorder, some psychological, some kind of negative vibes, multiple personalities disorders, many negatives. So these are the Madhukaidavas or Mahishasuras, Dariga. These kind of asuras are these kind of negative energies. So we have to take positive psychic energy vibrational field to attack and remove these negative energies. Compulsory. Through the cognitive learning only we can implant this kind of powerful psychological vibrational field, psychic vibrational field, positive. If you watch an accident, immediately the emotion is there. And through the 5 senses, the cognitive learning, the neuro network will create fastly, negative neural network. It is work like a deity through the 5 senses. It will remember, it will make you disturb even after 10 years. But without emotion, we cannot implant something in subconscious mind. We have to repeat more and more and more. For that, we are doing Panchavachara Puja. For that, we are doing worship with the bhakti. Bhakti is an emotion. Then immediately the deity tuning will happen easily. We can create that our body is like a computer hardware. We can put any software. Now running the software is very less powerful. We can replace the updated version, or we can replace the software with a powerful deity of powerful guna as per the situation. Then we can easily overcome the opposite situations, facing negative situations. For that, we can use this system. It is very powerful for that. So Mahakali is for protection, Mahalakshmi is for prosperity and well-being, wealth, everything. Mahasaraswati is the jnanam, the awareness, and go to moksha. So Bhukti Mukti Pradayini Devi. So for that we have to do the worship. How we have to do? From first day of Navaratri, we can start the chanting Durga Saptasati. There is two different reading style is there. There is Navangam and Trayangam. Before starting our chanting, we have to wear good clothes, clean clothes, and have a bath and come and sit for meditation. Just lighten the lamp to lighten the awareness. Then we have to invite deity from our heart, from the awareness. The moment the Shiva is inside, Shakti is the Manomayam, Pranamaya, Vijnanamaya, everything, Panchakoshas are Shakti. So we have to take the Shiva consciousness, from Shiva consciousness, the movement of Shiva is calling Shakti, that's all. So Shiva is standing still, the awareness, the feel of I. From there, we are inviting deity. So we have to chant the mantra, which deity we want to chant. Durga is actually, we are inviting in different forms in each and every days. The first day, in Kerala or the South Indian style, we are inviting Mahakali for 3 days. Next 3 days Lakshmi and next 3 days Saraswati. In North Indian style, we can do the Avahana. The first day is Shailaputri, the second day is Brahmacharini, third day is Chandrakhanda, the fourth day is Kushmanda, fifth day is Kandamada, sixth day is Katyayani, the seventh day is Kalaratri, the eighth day is Mahagauri, the ninth day is Siddhidatri. So each and every day when we have to chant the Mula Mantra of the Devi, the first day is example Shailaputri. Actually the mantra we have to chant the Mula Mantra is daily we have to chant 108 times or 36 minimum. We have to chant the Mula Mantra of the Devi with the chandas. It is clearly mentioned in the Devi Durga Saptasati. Chandas we have to do before the Mula Mantra Japa. In the Sahasrara we have to remember the Rishi, Markandeya Rishi, or the Rishi's name is mentioned there. Here is the Chandas, the Pangti Chanda or Devi Gayatri Chanda we have to do here. Then from heart the deity, Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati Devata or Chamunda, which deity we have to remember here from heart. So then after we have to start the chanting of the Mula Mantra, Om Aim Hrim Claim Chamundaye Viche. This is the Durga Mantra. So Chamundi Mantra. Durga Mantra is Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Nama. So Chamundi Mantra is normally chanting. The first day, example, we have to do the Mula Mantra Japa as Aim Hrim Klim. Bija Mantra is same. Aim Hrim Klim Shailaputri Namah. The same way, all of the mantras we can chant with this Bija Mantra. We can chant all of these mantras as per our interest. There is no mistakes. The mother will forgive all mistake. Don't be fearful. We have to love our deity because this is a part of our existence. It's not separate from ourselves. When the time of chanting, the conditions are there. Don't move like this or don't stop in between and don't leave the concentration, and we have to try to chant with the meaning of the lines. The interpretation will be available in all language. We can use that one, and if you can do like that, it is good. The saying like that actually. Two way of chanting style is, one is Trayangam, next is Navangam. It is clearly mentioned in the books. Argalam, Keelagam, everything will be mentioned detail in the Durga Saptasati book. We have to, Parayana Vidhi is there. We have to learn that and start to chant. The main other thing is the Vidyarambham. The last day is very effective for starting to learn new Vidyas, new art forms and everything. So that is very good. The main other thing is the Ayudha Puja. The Ayudha Puja is very important. If you are using your weapon for protection at a time for the daily bread winning, so we have to use that main tool, keep in front of Devi, and we will take leave from our karmas, our works, places. It is good because the many top business people and successful people, they will take leave for 1 or 2 days sometimes, and they will keep them away from all kind of this career and everything, this busy schedule, for recheck, analyze their work is right or wrong, evaluation. They will take time, they will find time, stop everything and will go. This is mentioning the Think and Grow Rich, very successful motivational book. So it is a fact. It is very effective, the rethinking in our career, and to look our situation as a third person viewpoint. So it is very effective, a bird eye view. We can check and the consequences and the reactions and which is right or wrong. We can analyze as a third person. It is very effective. We have to do the avahana clearly. We have to imagine the Devi is coming through the breath to come out and sitting in the Agni, the lamp. So we have to imagine from our consciousness it is coming to outside. Om Ehi Shri Mahakali Murti Bhagavadi. If the deity is Shailaputri, we can say Om Ehi Shri Shailaputri Murti Bhagavadi Agacha Agacha Avahayami. Breathe out and keep this energy to that lamp. Devi is sitting there. How to imagine and keep a sweets or some kind of naivedyas we can prepare as per our regional system. Keep in front of the deity and imagine Devi is eating. We have to say Sarva Naivedyam Samarpayami. Then we can start the chanting. Then finish the chanting. Last we have to take. Otherwise, if it is continuing in the burning level, to the last, till the last day, it is good, it's also good, then no need to take. Otherwise, if you want to off the lamp, you have to take back the energy. Om Ehi Shri Shailaputri Murti, or which deity is Mahakali Murti Bhagavadi Agacha Agacha Udvasayami. Take inside. First is Avahayami. This is Udvasayami. Breathe inside and imagine we are getting more powerful. We are taking the energy to outside and magnifying through the worship and taking to inside. That is the system actually. Then we can off the lamp with some flower or something. So this is the system. So this is very effective for removing all kind of negative energy and feel the positive in our house and workplace and our mind and pranamaya kosha and everywhere. It will be helpful for everybody to attain sakshakar enlightenment and attain the material success. Shrimate.